Hey, our friends, welcome back. I'm Mr. Derek, Brudders Books illustrator, and today we're going to draw a family of bears.
Okay, so our first step, we're going to draw some land for the bears to sit on. So I'm going to start kind of this far down off our page, and I'm going to do just a little hump of ground here. So just a curve shape. And I'm doing 3 bears, so I want to make sure I have room for all 3 of them and maybe some extra trees and bushes as well. So just like that, nice curve shape for the ground. Okay, so for our first bear, I want to do the medium-sized bear, and we're going to do that here on the left side. So from the ground, I want you to do a curve shape, almost like the letter C. So we're going to come up about this far up, just like that. And then we're going to continue adding the head by doing a little curve, just like this shape. And then the top of the head, I'm going to curve over to the other side, a little bit of a round shape because it's his head. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing I did here, but on this side. So we're going to curve back down, and I'm matching about where I fell down here on my line. And then continue to go out and around over here. So we got our bear body and head in there. And just so you can see kind of where we're at, let's go ahead and add some ears. So the ears are just circle shapes. So I'm going to add a circle shape here in this corner. And then we do the same thing over here. And then I'm going to do a little circle inside our other circle. Just like that. Okay, then we're going to add in the feet. So the feet are just going to be, again, a lot of circles here. So we're going to do just a curve, or you can look at it as like a half circle shape for the feet. And then the same one on the other side. Just like that. And then I'm going to add just 2 little lines for almost like the toes of the bear. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the arms now. So the arms are going to be just diagonal lines. Very simple. So I'm going to think about coming around this area here. And I am going to go in a diagonal just on the other side of his foot here. You guys see that? And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. About the same height as my other line. And I'm going to angle it going right on the inside of my other foot. And then to finish it off, we're going to do another line just on the other side, coming straight down like that. And then another one over here to finish this arm off. And then I'm going to just curve at the end just to attach his hand, and then add the same 2 little lines for his paws. And then for his belly, between your 2 arms, just go ahead and draw a little circle just connecting the 2 right here. And if you want, if you have some room, you can even add it to where it ends here, like a smiley face. So you're almost seeing the belly behind his arms, just like that. And it's really cute. And then let's put in the bear face real quick. So I'm going to find an area kind of in the middle of our bear. I'm going to draw kind of an oval circle shape here. Just like that. That's more like a circle shape, actually. I think the nose would look better if it's oval. So I'm actually going to do an oval shape for the nose right in the middle. And then I'm going to just quickly color in his nose because I have the pencil. And so when I color it in, I'm actually going to leave just a little bit of a white spot on his nose to make it look like he's got a shiny little nose like that. So a nice little trick there. That's really cool. And then let's put in the eyes. So I'm going to just do 2 little black eyes on each side. Like that. And then I'm going to give him some eyebrows too. So I'll just do these little, almost like rainbow shapes curving around on his eyes. So he's almost curious of what they're looking at. All right, perfect. So we have like a medium-sized bear in the family. So I kind of want to do like the baby bear here. So we're going to find a spot right next to our medium-sized bear. And we're going to do the same thing we just did, but we're going to do it a little bit smaller. So we're going to start over here. Find a good little area next to your medium-sized bear. And we're going to come up and do that same shape, but maybe just about halfway. So we're going to do a nice curved shape here. And again, just like the head, we're going to give him a nice curved shape like that. And then over the top, it's a line that kind of curves a little bit for the head. And then again, we're just going to come right back down just like we did on the opposite side. So we're going to curve our head back in. And then curve it out and back to the ground. So we're going to create our little baby bear. And let's add the ears. So again, they're just circles. So just a nice circle here in this corner. And then a nice good sized circle here. Again, if you have a pencil, you can erase those little lines in between or keep them, up to you. And then just the circles inside the ear. And then we're going to add in the feet. So again, just a little half circle here. And then on this side, the same thing. And remember, just the 2 lines on each foot. So it looks like his toes. And then let's go ahead and put in the arms real quick. So just like we did before, I'm going to come over here about this height, and we're going to come slanting in an angle down to the inside of 1 foot. And then we're going to come over here and do the other side on the inside of the other foot. And then on the inside of the arms, start where we did at the top and just come straight down like that. And then go ahead and do the other one. And then I'm going to, again, just curve out the bottom just to make it look like it's his paws. And 2 little lines if we can fit them. And this time I'm going to do the belly, but I'm just going to do the top part. I'm not going to do the bottom and top, just to be a little bit different. So I'm going to come up and over just on those inside arms, just like that. So even when we color it too, you could break these colors up and you can see that a lot better. But I like that each bear has a little bit of a different look to him, has his own personality. All right, let's finish up the face. So we'll do another circle shape like this right in the middle of the bear. And then let's do another oval shape inside that for the nose. And again, I'm going to color in the nose and leave just a little bit of a white spot from the paper. So that means I'm not coloring all the nose in. I'm going to leave a little area untouched so it gives it looks like a highlight, like a shiny nose. Isn't that cool? And then let's go ahead and give the same eyes, just these black little eyes on each side. And then I'm going to leave no eyebrows on this, but you can add that too if you'd like, just like this one. And then I'm going to do the last one here, and this is going to be, let's say this is the mama bear here. So we are going to draw a big bear sitting behind the 2 little bears. So from over here, we'll start on the medium-sized bear. We're going to curve up from here. A nice curved shape. We're going to go just past our ears. And we're going to curve up just like we did that head. Just like that. So we're going to make it look like the bear's sitting behind the 2 bears. And then I'm going to give him a big head. So I'm going to come and do a nice size curved shape on the top of the head here. And then I'm going to curve back down and try to match the same side I had here. Just like that. And then I'm just going to finish this curve and come all the way down to the ground. Now, if your bear was a little bit more to the right, you can just go wherever your bear is and then maybe just stop there. So if I had him over more, maybe you can just run the line and stop it right in front of the top of the head. But I have some extra room here. So I am going to just go all the way to the ground and just do a nice curved shape like this. And then I'm gonna put in a big face for the mama bear. So we're gonna just do a nice size circle shape. So I'm gonna find a nice area in the head. So we're gonna do a nice circle shape here. And then I'm gonna put an oval nose in, but I'm gonna go a little bit more on the top because I wanna add a little bit of a facial feature next. So let's do an oval shape, kind of more towards the top. Again, I'm gonna color that in. And you guessed it, we're gonna leave a little bit of a white spot. So it all looks like they all have the same shiny nose from the same family. And then to put a mouth, very easy. We're gonna draw a line that comes straight down underneath the nose to about right here. And then a little smile that connects to that. So we have a smiley mama bear. And then let's go ahead and put in the ears too. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one good size ear here. And then another one on this side. So everything's a little bigger since it's the mama bear. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just race out just some of these inside lines, just to make it look like the ears are attached to our head. And then I'm gonna go ahead and finish off with just our inside little circles. All right, and then we just need the eyes. So give it some nice, good sized black little circles here on each side. Super cute. And then I'm gonna do some eyebrows as well for mama bear. And then we're gonna do some lines above her eyes. Maybe just more of a line shape and an angle this way. And then one over here over this eye. All right, guys, we did it. Isn't this exciting? We have a whole family of bears here. So we have a mama bear, it could be a brother bear and a little sister bear, or it could be two brothers, two sisters, whatever it is in your imagination. So I'm excited to color this. I'm gonna add maybe a few extra details, and I hope you do too. Let your imagination go wild. Add some palm trees. You can add some pine trees. It could be whatever you want. This is your drawing. I'm gonna fast forward to this part while I color it. So remember to pause the video, take time to finish your drawing, and let's get started. Yes, we did it. We finished our family of bears. This is really cool. I had so much fun coloring this one, especially the big mama bear in the back. But I really like the little things that I got to add. The little fish jumping out of the water, some forest trees and plants. It kind of makes them look like they're on an island. Now remember, you guys can pause the video here and you can match some of the coloring that I did with the trees and the different color bears, or you can come up with those on your own. And I even encourage you guys to add in a couple extra things too, especially if your imagination is coming up with different ideas, like maybe some mountains in the back or some floating clouds. This is your masterpiece, so do whatever you guys like. Thank you again, guys, for watching. I had a blast drawing this today. I hope you did too, and looking forward to seeing you guys soon. Until next time, I'll see you later.